I'm Jodie.
And I'm Big Boy Jade.
Today we have an epic game called Jenga QUAKE. Aftershocks and falling blocks. This game is for ages 6 and up, and any amount of people can play this game. On the back of the box, it shows you the rules of the game.
Go.
Step 1, build the tower. Step 2, press the button to start. Step 3, take turns as the tower vibrates randomly. And step 4, hurry. You never know when the big one's gonna hit. And the concepts of this game are 36 blocks, instructions, the game base. And now let's open the box! I'm really excited. Here are the contents of the game. We have our 36 blocks and our game base.
That's the trick.
The base shakes. To turn on the shaking, you have to push down and the indicator will start shaking. If you want to turn it off, you have to push down for 2 seconds until the indicator's LED light turns off.
Let's play.
Yeah, now let's play.
Yay!
Okay, let's set up the tower. And we only need 3 more to complete this tower. We are done. Now, how do you play this game? Well, that's easy. First, you need to turn on the game. Then, you will take a block. And after you take a block, you need to wait 5 seconds. If the game is stable, it's the next player's turn. If the game falls, you lose. Now, are you ready to play?
Yeah!
Now, let's start playing. Now, youngest first. Jade, I suggest picking from the mid. Pick from here. I suggest here.
And slowly.
You don't pick anywhere.
And slowly.
At this point, I feel like the tower's gonna fall any second now, any moment. Oh. Now put it on top.
That's good.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, good job, Jade. Now, Jimmy. Oh my God. Jimmy.
It's like a bread.
Take it out. Woo!
1, 2, 3.
Oh no! I think that was my fault. Yeah, that was my fault for correcting the blocks. I lost! Oh no! Now, Jade, which block are you thinking of picking?
I did.
No, you can't pick from the top.
It's very easy.
Oh,
Here.
it shook. Oh, Jade! Now put the block here.
No.
That's scary.
No.
You need to put it here.
I didn't put it in the head. The tie.
You need to put it like this. Now, Jimmy, good luck. Jimmy, not a good idea. It's not a good idea, Jimmy. It's not. Oh my God, Jimmy. Guys, stop moving.
Yeah!
Oh, Jade, don't move, so we don't let the tower fall. Now put it. Oh my God, that's scary. Every time it vibrates. Oh my God. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. It's my turn, guys.
Picking the top hitting.
I got one out.
No,
Safely and
it's
quick.
my turn.
Guys. Oh my God, this block keeps moving and it's scary. Now, Jade, it's your turn.
Yeah.
It's your turn. I finished my turn.
I know.
What? If he gets it out, I'm gonna be shook.
Very fast.
Oh wait, you should get it from here.
Yeah, it's easy.
No. Nope.
Why did you do that?
Chloe, good one.
It's okay, but Jade, you lost. Well, at least we won. Since Jade lost the last round, Jimmy, you're starting out this game. Now, which one are you thinking of picking? You don't know?
I know.
Oh, the bottom.
There's
Jade,
no.
Jade, it's Jimmy's turn.
No, I
Give
didn't
it from
start.
here. Oh my god, Jimmy. I think you should push it a little bit more out, and then you can get it. Jimmy, can you do it? Oh my god, Jimmy, if you get 2 out, that is legendary. Jade. Now it's my turn. Oh my god.
No, this is my turn.
It's my turn. I didn't get to play.
No, you say Jay.
No, you're out.
I'm gonna pick... No, Jade, it's not.
Here, this is safe.
I'm gonna pick the easier blocks to pull out. I got this one. I got an orange one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, Jade. You can pick from the top. Oh my god. No.
I can't.
I mean, yeah, you can still do that.
But that's okay.
I mean, at least it's not from the top. No, it's Jimmy's turn, buddy.
I missed a business.
Yeah. Now,
I missed my
Jimmy.
turn.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Jimmy. So you're picking out an orange one.
We can lose because.
Now, Jade, he needs focus right now. I know you can do it. Jimmy. Good job!
Good. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5. It is now my turn, and I'm pulling out a
No,
light.
wait to start.
I pulled out a light gray one. That was scary. Oh my god.
I can pick.
Wait, it's Jade's turn. Wait, we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jade. Oh, it's Jade's turn. He needs to play. Yeah, Jade, you need to play. Remember? You can't pull from the top. You can't.
Here.
You should pull this one. This orange one. Whoa! Jade, that is good. Now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jade, you need to bring a block on top. Ah! So guys, this is the end of the video. We really hope you enjoyed this amazing game. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification down below, and comment down what you guys want to see next. And goodbye!